Hello everyone, in this video I will show you two structures which are based on ICT concepts, like they are the summary of ICT teachings, so that you don't have to worry about the difficult terminologies that ICT use in his lectures. And one thing I can tell you with full confidence, that this strategy and this structure works 100%, like the win rate is 100%. This structure never fails. And as usual, I will use two terminologies in this video: market structure break and fair value gap. And to keep the video length small, I will upload it in two parts. And in first part, we will discuss the first structure, the bearish one, okay? And you will see that there will be structures within the structures. We will start from the bearish one. As I said, there are structures within the structure. So it depends on the type of trader you are. If you want to trade all day long, then you can trade the smaller structures, the smaller setups. But if you want to do a single trade per day, then you can wait for the bigger structure. Okay, so we will start from the smaller structure, and then we will see how there is a bigger structure there. Okay, so this is a bearish structure right now. See, it pumped, okay, it came down, again it went up. Okay, so here you can see, note it down, that this candle, this green one, broke the structure. See, this was the swing high, it closed above that. Okay, so it is the MSB candle. And one more important thing, don't get yourself confused with the MSB candles. Like wait, let me remove this. Like just I said, this one is the MSB candle. Okay, yes, this is the MSB candle, but this one is also the MSB candle. Okay, the below this one, but the market structure broke at this point. Okay, but we use the recent MSB candle. Okay, like it closed, we will need a close below this recent MSB candle. If this MSB candle gets broken, then we will use the next one as our target. We need a break below this candle, so then we will short. Okay, let me draw this now. See, it pumped here, then it came down, and you can see that this big black candle, this broke the structure. Now you see that there is opportunity to short, but you will not short here. You will wait for the fair value gap to get filled. Okay, I will not shift to the 3-minute or 2-minute chart right now, because it will then difficult for me, but there will be a fair value gap on 3-minute or 1-minute chart. It will move up to that fair value gap, and then it will come down, okay, to the last MSB candle bottom. See, this candle broke the structure, so it came down to that MSB candle bottom. So what you did is, you waited for that fair value gap, you shorted at around 6713 towards 16552. Okay, now I will take you to the bigger structure. Now this was the smaller structure. Now you will see that there is also a bigger structure there. Okay, see, as I said, this is the MSB candle. It broke the structure to the upside. Okay, this candle, see, this broke the structure to the upside. Now the bigger structure is that it pumped. Okay, now it came down, it went up, and here you can see these candles broke the structure to the downside. Like this was the MSB candle bottom, it closed below this. So now you will wait for the fair value gap. As you can see that this fair value gap, you can see on the 15-minute, there is a fair value gap there. So it went up to that fair value gap, and now you will see that where is the last MSB candle bottom. So you can see that the market structure got broken at this point. Okay, so you will draw a line here. This will be your target. Okay, you will short here once it the fair value gap gets filled at 16670, and you will short towards 16384. So you got two structures here. One was this one, and now a bigger structure. Now if you move to higher time frames, you will see even bigger structure here. Let me try if I get one. Now you can see that on 3-hour chart we have a bigger structure. See, it pumped from this point. Let me remove those smaller structures first. Okay, let me remove this. Now you can see that it pumped from here to this point, then it came down, that fair value gap got filled, and then this green candle broke the structure to the upside, so came here, and now this black candle closed below this MSB candle. Okay, see, and it closed below this one, so it will go up. There will be a fair value gap that got filled. So see, our structure will work out here for us. See, the market structure got broken, we wait for the fair value gap, and now this is the market structure back candle, this is the bottom, so this is our target. See, you waited for the fair value gap, it got filled, and you short it towards this point. So there are three trades. Like this trade, it will like you will get one trade per day, then this trade you will get 2 or 3 trades per day, and this one you can get a trade every 2 hours or every 3 hours. Now if you want to analyze the current market on this strategy, so you will shift to 4 hour. See, it pumped, okay, it came down, then it pumped, and here this candle, this black one, broke the structure to the downside. So now your bias is towards the downside, but as there is fair value gap towards the upside here and here, so these gaps will first get filled, it will pump towards this, and then you will target the fair MSB candle bottom towards the downside. So this is the MSB candle to the downside, you will target this one. Okay, so I hope this will be cleared by now as we analyze the current market status with this strategy.